The Exsiccator, a solution for 3D printing problems. Bad quality prints are caused by filament with a high moisture content. The Exsiccator uses a heat mat to release moisture from the filament and reabsorb it into silica gel packets. I came up with this idea using the iterative design process, and after using sketches, aesthetic models and computer-aided design, I was able to realize the final product. To engineer the design to its optimum shape, I made use of finite element analysis, a computer simulation technique for understanding areas of stress, strain, and displacement due to a static load. The best shape for this was the hexagon, due to its ability to withstand deformation and have minimal excess space compared to a circle. The material I chose to use was fiberglass, a material highly regarded for its high strength to weight ratio and known for its watertight properties. The assembly of the Exsiccator uses only standard components to give users the right to repair, reducing waste and being better for the environment. It can fit up to 5 spools and has temperature control for different materials. A side window allows for a visual glance at the spools inside, and the airtight construction means the internal humidity is controlled. With color-changing silica gel packets included, you can easily tell when the spools are dry. The Exsiccator, the easy way to get clean prints.